This channel provides updates about various opportunities available for youth globally, such as scholarships, trainings, for-profit business grants, non-profit grants, conferences, among other opportunities. Do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss out on such opportunities. Today there is a new opportunity called the O'Shaughnessy Fellowships. It offers 1 year and $100,000 to start building your life's work. The O'Shaughnessy Fellowship is a 1-year program for ambitious people who want to make their mark on the world. Fellows receive $100,000 to work on any project they choose with support from OSV's network of founders, investors, and experts. What's in it for you? 10 individuals or teams receive $100,000 each, and 20 individuals will each receive a $10,000 grant each, and access to OSV's network of founders, investors and experts to support them in bringing their projects to life. There is no separate application process for the grants program. Winners will be selected on the basis of their fellowship application form. The 10 are fellows while the 20 are fellowship applicants with exceptional projects. Benefits. 1. The fellowship reaches many corners of the globe, inviting varied and vibrant voices. 2. $100,000 grants designed to fuel more world-changing projects and plan to expand it further. 3. Connect with a rapidly growing global community of innovators and trailblazers. Chart your own path with this fellowship. 1. The internet allows you to find your tribe, your audience, your 1,000 true fans. You are no longer bound by the standard script. 2. You can work a job, build an app, create online content, or everything at the same time. The time of the career person is up. The time of the creator is now. 3. Each of our fellows will follow a unique path. Some will research new ideas. Some will build new ideas, and some will spread new ideas. No debt in this fellowship. 1. Getting started with something new can be daunting, especially when you have responsibilities. 2. Innovation requires freedom to tinker, experiment and learn. 3. All fellows receive a $100,000 equity-free grant to pursue their projects for 1 year, post which they will be helped to raise equity if they choose to do so. Our network is your network. 1. One of the hardest things about charting your path is finding the people you'll need to succeed on your own. 2. As part of the fellowship, we will connect you to investors, partners, prospective customers and mentors who can help you on your journey. Note carefully. The fellowship is open to adults worldwide, regardless of their background. We only require that you have a strong portfolio of proof of work. Individuals over the age of 18 can apply. The fellowships are aimed primarily at individuals. You do not have to register a company to be eligible. If you've already started a startup or plan to raise outside investment to build a venture-scale company, please apply to Infinite Adventures. Check link in this video description. You don't have to quit your job to do this fellowship. About 10 fellows and 20 grantees will be selected this year. O'Shaughnessy Grants is a sister program to O'Shaughnessy Fellowships. Grantees receive $10,000 to work on their project. We plan to award up to 20 grants in addition to the fellowships. The fellowship is entirely remote. You can decide the project you want to pursue as part of the fellowship. Ideally, it would be something you are uniquely suited to do and want to make your life's work. It can include, but is not limited to, art pieces, like Da Vinci or Michelangelo, music, a computer program, new products, deep scientific research, stellar pieces of journalism, documentaries, sculptures, and more, the ideal output would be something that could eventually resemble something iconic that can stand the test of time, like the Sistine Chapel. A breakthrough scientific discovery like penicillin, and other similar results. Check this video description for all relevant links for this fellowship. Kongs for making it to the end of this video. Thanks for checking out Opportunities Worldwide. This channel provides updates about various opportunities available for youth globally, such as scholarships, trainings, for-profit business grants, non-profit grants, conferences, among other opportunities. Do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss out on such opportunities. Check the video description for relevant links for this call for applications.